So what do you have to say about the Blue Baron 47XL?
We've been running this machine now for just over 2 years. All we've ever done to it is routine maintenance, oil changes, filter changes, things like that. We're still on the original drive belts. We're still on all original parts. Runs absolutely superb. We've used it in mainly commercial circumstances, hotels, things like that. We've had it even running up to 6 stories in height, with no issues whatsoever, running 450 feet of hoses. We've still got good suction, good heat from the solution lines, and absolutely no issues at all. We have had no maintenance problems, we've had no breakdowns. It is a phenomenal machine.
And how long have you had this machine?
Just over 2 years.
Okay. And so the belts, you've got the original belts.
Original belts, original everything.
And we've heard so many bad things about direct rubber couplers. I just, I've heard so many bad things about them, and that's why I went belt driven, and I have so many people that like what I'm doing with this transmission system, a belt driven system. So
the belt drive to me is a far, far superior system. One, it gives you a warning before it breaks. Second, it's an easy fix. If you did have a belt drive go, it's an easy fix to do it at the job site. As I say, in over 2 years, we're still on the original belts. Belts are not a problem. We keep spare belts in the trailer, but we've never used them. I have no issues with belt drive whatsoever. Phenomenal since your service.
okay. So with all that, we look forward to seeing you make more money and more jobs, and we want your success, as you've been very successful in the especially in the high-rise industry of doing long lengths of hose, which really is reflective of a good drive system, the belt-driven system with the double groove pulleys and everything. So I appreciate you for giving your honest opinion about the Blue Baron 47XL. And anyways, that's the end of this video, and then we'll have more testimonies as time goes on. I thank you very much, Thomas, for your honest opinion. Thank you.
Thank you.